In this problem, you will graph a function rule. What is the graph of the function rule? Y equals -2 times x plus 1. Step 1. Make a table of values. What input values make sense here? It is possible to use any input x in the equation and get an output y. Choose integer values of x to produce integer values of y, which are easier to graph. Write your input values in the table. Substitute each x value in the equation to find each corresponding y value. When x is -1, y equals 3. That gives you the ordered pair, -1, 3.
Just so you guys know, they chose -1, 0, 1, and 2 randomly. There was no reason for choosing those. They just figured those would be the easiest ones to use. So we'll continue here.
When x is 0, y equals 1. When x is 1, y equals -1. And when x is 2, y equals -3. Step 2. Graph the ordered pairs. Plot each ordered pair from the table. Now, connect the points with a line to represent all solutions.
When she says all solutions, she means any point in between those points. It could be a decimal, it could be a fraction. We'll make that equation true. And we'll talk more about that as we move on.
Now it's your turn.
So following what she had instructed you to do in the last time, make sure you make yourself a table of values, and then you should be able to create that graph, just like she mentioned. So we'll show you some answer solutions here, possible ones, and hopefully once you made your table and connected your line between those points, you've got one of these. So maybe it's a time to pause for a second and see what you got. So if you made yourself a table, it could look very much like this, or you might not have put the center one there, like you could have just had your x and your y, but hopefully you got the same answer here that she got. All right, so here's the end of this first video, and there'll be a couple more coming up, but this should get you going.